Okay, we're going to have a look at this Honda NSS300 Forza. We're going to grab the camera and have a close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and take a close look at this Honda. It is HPI clear, it's had a full government mileage check. Everything's okay on that. We'll get a good look round it. We'll start at the front and work all our way around the bike. So take a look over at the front on the left hand side first. This does have ABS on this. Get a good look at the plastics on it. So it is in a gloss black. Let's get a look at the seat from this side. It is also data tagged, this. As you can see, it's got the fold down footrests. Let's get a look around the back here at the rear shock. It's also got a top box on this, some extra storage space. There's your data tag sticker on the back. We'll move around to the right hand side. Get a look at the exhaust there. And look at the shock on this side. Let's get a look at the plastics on this side as well. Get a good look inside there. Good look at the seat on this side. And what we will do is we'll take a look up at the controls and we'll grab the mileage off it as well. Okay, let's have a look at the controls on this. So you've got your front brake on that side, you've got your kill switch, your hazards and your starter. And over on the other side, you've got the little button for the heated grips. It does come with the heated grips on this. You've got your lights, your horn, your indicators and your back brake. You've also got your little storage boxes on these. On the side there, you've got your buttons for your seat release and your fuel and your box on that side. So if we flick this on, let's grab a look at the miles. So it's done 19,240 miles. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more close-up photographs or videos of anything in particular, we can do that and send them over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to call Dawn or Dave on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.